Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel. I'm not a professional. I sit at a desk all day and I love watching building videos, and I always see things but I want to try something and put my own twist on it. So I decided to make an American flag. See that there? Beer caddy. Now, stick around. I'll show you all the things I did right, all the things I did wrong. If you're looking for something that's perfect, or a woodworker that'll show you how to do everything perfect, click the next channel, because that's not me. I like to have fun. I like to try things and put my own twist on them and see what I come up with. Stick around and I'll show you what I can do. Now, click that like and subscribe button. I'd love to see you around, because going forward, I've got all these different ideas of things I've been wanting to do, wanting to try. And like I said, I'd like to put my own twist on things, so stick around, let's see what we can do. This board is 6 inches wide, and I'm cutting them into 1-inch strips. And what I'm doing is I'm going to cut 13 individual strips. At this point, we're going to take them and put them together, obviously for the 13 stripes on the flag. Now that the boards are cut, now it's time to stain them. Took 7 red, 6 white, obviously for the flag. And the reason I didn't paint them and use stain, I really like the way the wood looks being stained. And I used white instead of just leaving it as a pine color. And I just really feel it helps accentuate the fact that it's a flag, but it still has that wood grain feel. Now here, I wish I would have had a couple more clamps, and because like I said, I'm a new woodworker. I've only got a couple clamps, so I put 6 together on one clamp, 7 in the other clamp, and I could have used a couple clamps on each section. Once they both dried, then I obviously glued them together. Once again, I don't have large enough clamps, and at some point I'll get them. But this is all still new to me. If you guys have any ideas on other ways of doing this, because it took a little bit to make sure all the boards were perfectly straight. I've made an American flag before, and this technique worked out great, putting razors in between the stripes and then staining in between. For whatever reason today, I could not get these razors to stay in. You can see that they're right now not very far, and I don't know if it was because it was on a slope or what I was doing at an angle. So I ended up trying to stay in between these. Ended up one at a time and using a Q-tip.
now I'm resorting to the Q-tip. This technique works pretty well, helps keep everything in line, and then I just move the razor as needed. Just to make sure everything fits. Everything seemed to fit all right, so it's time for cleanup. Disassembling and start the glue process. I try to spread everything out evenly. I'm not, like I said before, an expert in any of this, but evenly across the boards. And then I took a brad nailer. I did go out and buy a brad nailer and put a couple nails in just to hold it and get everything glued the proper way. Now we're trying to get the other side set. Everything's lined up. Boom, boom, boom. Now it's time to put the sides on. Quick glue, quick little nails, and real simple process. Like I said, I like this brad nailer. Don't have to worry about trying to hit my fingers. And just like that, one board's down. Got them evenly spread out. And that side is done. I'm not a big fan of using paint or spray paint. I'd rather have that wood look. And I have done another project that I'll eventually get posted where I did some carvings of the stars. And they look great. But on something like this, I decided just to do a quick paint job.
All right, time to put on the bottle opener. Do we put on the red and white side? Or the stars? I think we'll do the side right here. Should look good.